Here's a 3D character I made in 3ds Max 13 years ago in a hand-painted style. Back then, I built this model with a triangle limit of 6,000. Looking at Blender's statistics, it shows triangles 5,258 and vertices 2,801. At the time, I thought I had done a pretty good job optimizing the UV unwrap, but looking at it again now, there are quite a few areas that need rework. For comparison, I'll duplicate this old character. I'll hide the original and rename the copy. Now I press the Update button in UV Insight. The predicted vertices total is 3,758. That's a difference of 957 from Blender's statistics. I also need to check the actual vertices value in Unity, so I'll use the Batch Manager to batch export. Since I'm exporting to the same path, I'll set the batch path and run it. Right away, I'll run a batch sync to pull the Unity vertices values. The Unity vertices total is 3,756. See how it differs from Blender's prediction? There's a warning icon, and this mesh entry shows a difference of -2. Check the tooltip. It lists the common causes for this kind of discrepancy. A small difference like this is most likely caused by vertices that were unintentionally left unmerged in the UV. I'll select all UVs and apply Merge by Distance. That didn't fix it, so I'll look for them manually. Here, these vertices weren't merged. I'll merge them and update again. Now the Blender and Unity values match. That said, if it's not causing a major issue, you don't need to spend too much time on this. What matters is using UV Insight to predict and compare vertices values while optimizing your UVs. Since this old character's UV is symmetrical, I'll delete half the mesh and proceed with the unwrap. I keep repeating Update and Sync, optimizing the UV based on the lowest value. The unwrap work is all done. I'll show the hidden original old character and merge each into a single mesh for comparison. I run Update and Batch Sync to refresh the vertices values. The original old character, 3,756. The new old character, 3,464. That's a reduction of 292. This is how UV Insight serves as your guide, predicting and verifying game engine vertices values right from the unwrap stage, helping you build optimized UVs. Optimize the UVs of your character outfits, wearable items, and game assets to achieve the best performance in your game engine. The add-on link is in the description.